Visual Studio Code disable sidebar code slider thing. How do I get rid of the sidebar thing below?
The thing is called minimap. Recommended to change it from within versus code. On all systems, the easiest way is to use the menu, View and GT, toggle minimap, as shown on the screenshot below. On all systems, you can also press Shift plus Control plus P. On Mac, Control is replaced by, and search for, toggle minimap, within the command palette. As with all settings in Versus Code, you can also change it via settings.json. On Windows, Linux, you can press Control plus, it's a comma. This could also work on OS X, but I have not found a reference and I cannot test it myself. On all systems, you can press Shift plus Control plus P. On Mac, Control is replaced by, and then search for, Preferences column open user settings. Now, you should see a new file tab called, User Settings, and then a two-pane viewer with its own search bar. There, you look for, editor.minimap.enabled, and change its value to false. You can also just add, editor.minimap.enable false, to your settings.json, and save it. If you want to change it for your current project only, you can select, Workspace Settings, to the right of the setting window search bar. That's it. If you want to edit it from outside Versus Code for some reason, open in Windows, %atata %code /user /settings.json. OS X, $home/library /application support /code /user /settings.json. Linux, $home/.config /code /user /settings.json. Then, just add, editor.minimap.enable false, to your settings.json, and save it. If you want to change it for your current project only, you can also look in your projects, .scode, folder, there, another, settings.json, can be found.
Visual studiocode